When storms rise and seas push forward, there is one thing standing between our coastlines and complete destruction. Our last line of defense, mangroves. They store up to 4 times more carbon, reduce wave energy by over 60%, protect homes, livelihoods, and entire coastal communities. They're also the breeding ground for nearly 75% of tropical fish. And yet, they are being destroyed. When they disappear, flooding increases, carbon is released, and biodiversity collapses. I'm Gaurika.
And I am Vedika.
We are co-founders of Mangrove Protectors. We started Mangrove Protectors working to protect mangrove ecosystems through education, community workshops, and hands-on action. Growing up in the UAE, we watched our cities reach for the clouds, but we realized our future actually lies in the mud, within the roots of the mangrove forests. We don't just defend a tree, we defend a front line. These are our coastal bodyguards, sequestering 5 times more carbon than tropical forests. Our journey began with a simple question. If the youth don't value the roots, who will protect the future? We believe that the right to a healthy environment is the foundation of all other human rights. You cannot have the right to life, health, or security if your coastline is disappearing and your air is unbreathable. By protecting mangroves, we're defending the rights of the next generation to live in a world that isn't underwater. This isn't just environmentalism, it's intergenerational justice. Last year, we were shortlisted because we had a spark. This year, we have a flame. We've taken our mission to the 100.3 Talk FM in Dubai radio and represented our youth voices at the IUCN Congress. Through our workshops, we've reached over 1,400 students and have educated around 2,400 followers online. We've worked with the Dubai municipality and 10 plus schools and institutions across 2 countries and have also trained mangrove student ambassadors from 6 international schools. We don't just teach students why mangroves matter, but why their voice matters in global climate corridors.